Ever played a YouTube video and heard an AI voice instead of the real speaker? If your video is auto-dubbed but the original voice is in English, here's how to switch it back in seconds. Start by opening the YouTube app on your mobile device and play the video that sounds off. If you're hearing an AI-generated Italian voice while the speaker's lips don't match, YouTube has likely enabled its new auto-dubbing feature. To change it, tap anywhere on the video to bring up the controls, then tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the video settings. Next, select Audio Track. This is where you can manage the language options available for that video. You'll see a list of languages. Look for the one labeled English Original. This tells you it's the authentic audio recorded by the creator, not an AI translation. Tap English Original Voice, and the Italian dubbing will stop immediately. You'll now hear the video in its native English voice, just as it was intended. Whether you prefer hearing the original speaker or just want a more natural viewing experience, this quick change will fix it. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if there's another setting you'd like to learn about.